Cooling in refrigerators. Cooling is produced in refrigerators by evaporation of a liquefied gas. This produces cooling effect. Freon, a CFC, was used as a refrigerant gas. But its use has been forbidden when it was known that CFC is the cause of ozone depletion in the upper atmosphere, which results in increase in amount of UV rays from the sun. The rays are harmful to all living matter. Freon gas is now replaced by ammonia and other substances which are not harmful to the environment. Like and follow for more physics.